Welcome to a journey through our healthcare sector. A passionate team driven by a shared mission, saving lives, earning trust, and delivering excellence in both healthcare services and pharmaceutical solutions. We begin with Shyam Yukta Pharma, established in Erode in 2013. With over 15,000 formulations, we serve 700 plus B2B clients. We are proudly debt-free and profitable, supporting growth for mid-tier pharma companies. Lemuric Healthcare Private Limited, founded in 2016 and based in Bangalore, started with 4 products and now with a portfolio of 65 plus products. We reach over 8,000 retail outlets and 1350 plus doctors. Products are manufactured in WHO GMP certified plants. Awards include FIA GES Best Emerging Pharma Company 2018, Peticon Pediatric Excellence Awards 2022 and 23. Now MIT BMCH Private Limited, established in February 2021 and located in Bhavani, Kumarapalayam. In just a short time, BMC has earned recognition as a center of excellence in emergency and trauma care. Our areas of specialization include head injury and neurotrauma management, orthopedic surgeries and accident response, snake bite and poison treatment with high success rates. BMCH's achievements so far: over 2,400 complex surgeries successfully performed, 273 COVID patients treated with zero mortality, the launch of the region's first 24/7 emergency and critical care center. We've been proudly recognized with the COVID Warrior Award in 2021 by the Honorable Health Minister, the NK48 Award in 2024 presented by the Honorable Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Next, we highlight Royal Vaughan Medical Center Private Limited, founded in August 2023 and located in Gudalur, the Nilgiris. In just 19 months of operations, it has made a remarkable impact. Patient care delivered so far: over 37,000 outpatients treated, more than 2,800 inpatients treated with dedication and care. Royal Vaughan introduced several healthcare firsts in the Gudalur region: the first 24/7 emergency and critical care center, the first ICU with ventilator support, the first laparoscopic surgery center, the first painless labor facility ensuring comfort for mother-to-be. Supporting these services is a strong infrastructure: an ultramodern laboratory for hormone testing with advanced technologies, 2 well-equipped operation theatres, a radiology department with Siemens ultrasound, echo and 100 MA mobile digital X-ray. Coming soon in May 2025, a 16-slice GE-CT scan adding speed and accuracy to diagnostics. Together we are building a healthier future, powered by quality, innovation and commitment. Be with us for the next historical revolution in medical industry. Thank you for being part of our vision.